Now let's get into the meat of the matter, how to add the developer tab. First we go to File, then we select Options, then select Customize Ribbon. On the right here we're going to check the box for developer, and then we're going to select OK, and voila, you have your developer ribbon. If it is that you didn't want to go that route, you could have also selected this icon, then select more commands, so select Customize Ribbon, then change from popular commands to main tab, and then check the developer box and OK. Hope this video was informative. Thank you for watching.